In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reminders in Apple Calendar. First, open the Calendar app on your iPhone or iPad. You will see a clean layout with your current month or week displayed. This is where all your scheduled events and reminders will appear. It's important to ensure you are in the right app, as the Calendar app is specifically designed for managing dates and events. By starting here, you set the stage for adding your reminders effectively. Once you have the app open, you are ready to move on to the next step. Next, tap the plus sign, which is the Add button. This button is usually located at the top right corner of your screen. When you tap it, a new window will pop up, allowing you to enter various details. This step is crucial because it initiates the process of adding a new reminder. You will notice a clean interface where you can start entering the information you need for your reminder. After tapping the Add button, you are one step closer to organizing your schedule. Now tap on Reminder. In this step, you will see options for creating different types of entries. Since we are focusing on reminders, selecting this option is essential. It allows you to set specific tasks or notes that you want to remember. This feature is beneficial because it helps you keep track of important tasks without cluttering your calendar with events. By focusing on reminders, you can streamline your planning process. After that, enter a title for your reminder. This title should be clear and descriptive so you know exactly what the reminder is for. For example, you might enter doctor's appointment or buy groceries. A well-defined title helps ensure that you do not forget the purpose of the reminder. Clarity is key here, as it will give you a quick reference when you check your reminders later. Once you have typed in your title, you can proceed to the next part. Next, select the date for your reminder. This is a critical step because it tells the Calendar app when you want to be reminded of this task. You can easily scroll through the calendar to find the right date. If you need the reminder to be on a specific day, make sure you double-check that it's set correctly. This helps you avoid any confusion later on. After selecting the date, you are almost ready to finalize your reminder. If needed, turn on time and choose a specific time for the reminder. This option is particularly useful if your task has a specific time associated with it, such as a meeting or an appointment. Setting a time ensures that you receive a notification at just the right moment. This little step saves you a lot of time later by preventing any last-minute rush. After you set the time, you can move on to adding more details. At this point, you can add other details such as repeat, notes, or a list. This step allows you to customize your reminder further. For instance, if you want this reminder to occur regularly, selecting the repeat option will automate that for you. Notes can provide additional context, while lists can help you organize related reminders together. Customizing your reminder makes it more effective and tailored to your specific needs. Finally, tap Done to save your reminder. This action confirms all the details you have entered, and your reminder will now appear in your calendar. This makes sure your changes are saved and that you will receive notifications as needed. You will see a confirmation appear, indicating that your reminder is successfully added. With that complete, you are all set to manage your tasks efficiently using the Apple Calendar. In summary, adding reminders in Apple Calendar is a straightforward process. Each step is designed to help you create effective reminders that keep you organized. Now you can stay on top of your tasks effortlessly.